Today we are going to be doing a summer lookbook, and I'm so excited to share these pieces with you from Dresslily.com. They are celebrating their 7th anniversary, so they sent me some pieces to try on for you, and I don't know, that's it. Let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and that's it. Okay, so this first piece was this really cute white like chiffon material beach cover-up. It is white with like cheetah print on it. I loved it so much. It comes with like a little belt. It has 2 slits on the side. It comes all the way up to the top where the little cinch part is. And then I got this really cute bag. It's like a, what is this called? Like a wefted bag, I guess. It has 2 gold chains. It's adjustable. And it's like a circle shape or whatever. Really cute. I paired it with this hat that I got from Fashion Nova, and I also got these shades from Fashion Nova as well. As for accessories, they sent me this really cute shell anklet. I thought it would look really cute with both pieces, so I just pieced them both together.
People hanging around you, it's just never worth it in the end.
The next outfit is this black one-piece romper type situation, jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it. I thought this was really cute for the summertime because if it's like hot outside, like you're not going to get like overheated or anything. It's really breathable. The material I thought when I ordered it online was going to be like cotton, but it's actually like a polyester material. But it's very stretchy, very breathable. I got a size small, but their sizes run pretty true to size. So if you get a small, it's probably going to fit well for you. It has 4 brown buttons in the front, and I just paired it with this really cute sun hat, which they also sent me. It has like little flowers and stuff as like a bow. And I paired it with the same little brown bag and my pretty little anklet.
Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to, I like to drive by myself.
Alright guys, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys also check out all the details below in the description bar. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. But until next week, we'll catch you next time. Bye!
Don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes My